Some ideas are difficult to understand when they are only described in text or with pictures. Energy systems, logistics processes, and connected workflows often become clearer when you can actually see how the different parts work together. Instead of reading a long explanation or viewing static picture, an interactive visual model can make the structure of a complex topic much easier to follow. Therefore, in this video, we're taking a closer look at the 3D visualization capabilities of Abacus AI. It can help create interactive visual outputs from a prompt with browser-based 3D explainers. The goal is not just to receive a written answer from the AI, but to turn a complex idea into something visual, structured, and easier to explore. For this video, we focus on two examples: a smart home energy system and a smart warehouse and delivery flow. Both examples show how a technical concept can become a 3D scene with connected areas, labels, movement, and interaction. Let's start with the first 3D visualization. A home energy system is not only about solar panels on the roof. It also includes battery storage, household consumption, grid connection, and the way energy moves between these parts during the day. Abacus AI can take this type of prompt and turn it into a browser-based 3D visualization so the concept becomes easier to understand at a glance. In the interactive scene, the different components can be arranged as one connected system. Solar power, battery storage, home usage, and grid connection are no longer separate terms, but part of one visual structure. This makes it easier to understand why these systems are useful, how energy can be stored, and how a home can become less dependent on external power at certain times. The second example is a smart warehouse and delivery flow. Products are stored, picked, packed, prepared for shipping, and then handed over to delivery. When these steps are only described in text, the process can feel abstract. In a 3D scene, the same workflow becomes much more concrete. A warehouse visualization can show shelves, work areas, packing stations, dispatch zones, and delivery routes in one connected model. The main benefit is that the order journey becomes visible. You can follow how a product moves from inventory to shipment and understand why each stage matters. This can be helpful for explaining logistics software, automation, inventory systems, or any workflow where several steps depend on each other. What makes these examples interesting is that the result is not just another summary. Abacus AI can support the explanation by creating a visual artifact that can be opened in the browser and explored directly. The 3D output does not need to replace professional animation, but it can create a clear first version of an explainer that helps turn an abstract topic into something more understandable. What makes this workflow practical is that the final result runs directly in the browser. The 3D scene can be opened through the browser, explored on screen, and used like a small interactive explainer. This makes technical topics feel more tangible because energy flows, warehouse routes, and connected components are not only described, but shown as part of one visual system. For topics like smart energy or logistics, this can make the explanation much clearer. You can see how the different parts relate to each other and follow the overall process in a more natural way. That makes Abacus AI useful for turning complex ideas into visual examples that are easier to present and easier to understand. Abacus AI shows how AI can move beyond written answers and help create interactive 3D explainers from a prompt. In these examples, a smart home energy system and a smart warehouse delivery flow become easier to understand because the structure can be explored visually. If you would like to explore those possibilities further, then you can find additional context below.